We are doing a science experiment today. It's called floating M's.
And there is an M&M floating right there. A little bit upside down. So what did you do?
We used a bowl and then put hot water in it, and we faced the M&Ms facing up, and then we had to wait a few minutes, and there was plain old chocolate in the bottom, and M's popped up because the M's are just marker that you can eat, and so the M's don't dissolve, but the coloring does.
Wow, that's a very cool experiment.
Can you send that to other people?